it has rained very heavily here, and I just finished working out and it started raining. You can hear the storm. This is our first rain in this year 2022. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to take my shower. So immediately the rain started, they took off our lighting, and our shower tap is connected with light. So without light you cannot use the shower. Okay, so yeah, you can see me tie my wrapper. I'm ready to go and take my bath. Okay, so yeah, this is African way of tying wrapper. Okay, so yeah, and I'm going to fetch the rainwater to shower. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Okay, and see my reaction while using this cool chilled water to shower. Okay, all right, so let's do this. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. Please kindly subscribe and join my beautiful family. To my returnees, let's do this. So guys, this is the water I fetched. Okay, so I'm going to take some or fetch some. Here is my bucket to shower. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned, do not go anywhere guys, and watch my reaction. You see, it's still raining, you know, it has not stopped. Okay, so yeah, this is the water I'm going to be using to bath. Okay, catch you in the bathroom. Hey guys, this water is so chilled, so chilled. I'm going to be using my local sponge. Pray for me guys. So chilled. I don't know where to put. This is so chilled. This is so chilled, like ice water. This is so chilled. I'm using my Dove shea butter shower gel. Okay. guys, you are going to sleep the entire day, especially after working out, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.